I'm doing it right now.
Oh, okay. So I promised them chicken next time. More chicken.
Well, that means we better give them chicken.
Yeah. Well, they didn't like anything but the chicken, basically.
They don't eat eggs.
Yeah, they didn't eat them. I thought they were going to. They just threw them everywhere. And they didn't like the dry dog food.
I get this far. Just love this picture of this little baby fawn. Oh, you dropped it. Aren't you guys scared of a raccoon?